happy to meet you in this conference, face-to-face, not virtual conference. So happy to participate in another conference with Center of Academic Business. Let me say this. Many thanks to Dr. Data, Dr. Rod, Dean Medgar, and especially thanks for members of scientific committee, organizing committee, and all administrative staff in their Center of Business for their efforts. And let me to participate to present my papers with Dr. Mostafa Elmokadem, titled The Efficiency of the Saudi Capital Market from the week from during COVID-19, a comparative study between the business sector listed in the Saudi capital market. The Saudi money market is an integral part of the global financial market, especially after linking it to global indicators and its opening to foreign investors. Like the global financial market, the Saudi money market was affected by the corona crisis as the Saudi money market declined by 1.54%. The market lost an important part of its gain, similar to global market. But it is remarkable that the index returned to achieve gains again despite the intensifications of the corona crisis and its direct impact on profit of listed companies, especially the petrochemical sector, the banking sector, and Aramco, which is very in market, which confirms the efficiencies of Saudi capital market through the period of COVID-19. Research program. The Saudi money market is the largest Arab market in terms of market value of registered shares and the value of registered shares trade, which plays an important role in achieving economic growth. The existence of efficiency in the money market gives many advantages of the economic and the financial system, as it helps reduce the cost of financing with ownership, and debt also provides liquidity for new investment in additional to reduce the degree of financial risk and providing the hence the main questions of the study. Is the Saudi capital market efficient at the weak and medium levels? Is there a difference in the level of the value of indices of the business sector that make up the Saudi financial market during the period 2019-2020, the period of COVID-19? Market efficiency. There are 3 degrees of market efficiency: the weak, the semi-strong, the strong part. Research hypothesis: the study stock market is an efficient market from the weak found during COVID-19. Market efficiency. Market efficiency is when current market prices reflect all essential financial information about an underlying assets or security, financial news, research, economic, political, social variables, ethic, and efficiency. Market provide buyer and seller equal access to prices and comprehensive assets related data, allowing them to profit in a liquid and high competitive market while limiting transaction cost, arbitrage opportunity, and above market gain. The study population and symbols. The study population is represented in the business sector listed in the Saudi stock market. In table number 1 show all sectors listed in the Saudi stock market. Descriptions of study variables. Table 2 show the statistics properties of the variable under study. Normality test for variables, it is clear from table 3 that the Saudi money market index doesn't follow the normal distribution during the period before, during, and after COVID-19, as we find that the graph bearer coefficient during the sleep period is 24.9, 7.4, and 32.5, all of which are at a significant level of less than 0.05. This confirms that the general market indices and sector indices tend to score whether positive or negative, as if the value of the storage coefficient is greater than 3. And we find that the score coefficient are either greater than 0 or less than 0, which means that there are some indicators with a positive score distribution, while others have a negative score, which indicates an asymmetric distribution. Hypothesis test: the Saudi stock market is an efficient market from the weak form during the COVID-19 period. Referring the table 3, we find the run test of the service value listed in the Saudi stock market indicates that the movement of indices value is not random. We find that in all indices the Z value are higher than 1.92 at significant level of 0.0, while for the indicators 2 characterized by random, it's much less than the absolute value of Z is less than 1.96, and that's the level of significance should be more than 0.05, and thus all sectors are not characterized by the random movement and the value of their indicators. Result analysis: the most important results of the study are as follows. The sector most affected by COVID-19 are the transportation sector, the real estate sector, the public utilities sector, the commercial and the consumer service sector, the entertainment sector, and the luxury goods retail sector. The sector less affected, but there was a slight increase in the value of index during COVID-19 are the pharmaceutical and the healthcare sector, food production, and energy, which are all rich.
5 minutes more. 5 minutes.
Okay. And energy, which are all vital and main factors that satisfy the basic and main needs of members of society. All business sectors have a high standard deviation, and this reflects the strong correction in the value of indicators during, before, and after COVID-19. The capital market index and the sector index during the years 2022-2021 are not distributed in a normal and systematic manner, and this indicates in transfer the efficiency of the capital market and the market sector. There is collapse of the market index and the other sector indices during the COVID-19 period, but it began to recover as end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021. The Saudi capital market and the business sector are not characterized by efficiency as the weak form during the budget period. The average value of market index are better than the average of the rest of the sector. Recommendation. Based on all results of this study, the researcher recommended and the following: the first recommendations direct to the investor in the capital market. In the event of natural distress and crisis, investors should focus on sector of basic needs such as food, healthcare, medicine, and energy. In period of prosperity, the investor can go to the entertainment sector and the luxury goods as they achieve the highest return but risks. Establishing an early warning system for the capital market in order to detect financial and environmental risk that may affect the stock prices with the training of investor and broker firm. It is good it make environment variable and analysis them and provide the result of the analysis to all investors. The necessary to establishing specialized education institute in center and holding international scientific conference and seminar to qualify the human cards necessary to work in the emerging financial markets. Second condition addressed to the capital market and financial intermediary authority. The capital market should spread the culture of financial investment, also launch awareness and training course for investors through a platform of how to access the situation and variable and how to make investment decisions. Transparency is providing data analysis tools and advice online to make the right decision. Developing a system, developing the capital market platforms in a way that enable the investor directly to evaluate, share, and make good decisions. Thank you.